Welcome to Copart. In this video, we'll look at our redesigned Vehicle Details page, also called Lot Details. This page has a fresh, new layout, making it easier to find the information you need before deciding to bid and buy. Let's take a closer look at some of the Lot Details features. Now you can check on your bidding eligibility before entering the auction. Check to see whether you are able to bid on a particular vehicle under Bid Information located in the upper right-hand corner of the page on your desktop. If you're not eligible to bid, click on Check Why for more details and next steps. Details like sale location and sale date and time are now conveniently located at the top of the Lot Details page, preventing you from having to scroll in order to view these important notes. You can also find the newly added shipping widget located at the top of the page, which quickly skips you to our shipping estimate section. This section calculates additional delivery transportation fees based on your zip code. On your desktop, you can inspect the ins and outs of your favorite vehicles from the comfort of your home or office with our larger images. By hovering over the images, you can magnify certain areas of the vehicle you want to view in greater detail as well, giving you the opportunity to inspect every inch of your favorite cars, trucks, and SUVs. To check out the look of the Lot Details page, visit copart.com/vehicle finder and choose your favorite vehicle.